a convicted sex offender to be sentenced, and a first-hand look at the war from the coast of Pakistan top the headlines for Thursday, July 23rd. Press Now News at Noon is sponsored by Qmart. A twice convicted sex offender from Cedar Grove will be sentenced today for raping a 14-year-old girl in his apartment last summer. Christopher W. Fitzpatrick of 123 Main Street will face a maximum sentence of 25 years on the felony count of second-degree sexual assault of a child. The girl told investigators the rape occurred while she and at least 5 other people were at Fitzpatrick's home late one night in August when she ended up alone in a bedroom with him. Watch for more on SheboyganPress.com. Watch tomorrow's Press for more on the continuing story of the city's Public Works Department and its efforts to cut the budget through restructuring. Every day we hear stories about the war, but it's rare we get a chance to hear from someone who's right there. Watch tomorrow's Press for a story about 2006 South High grad Petty Officer Samantha Rablin, an air traffic controller who was aboard the USS Ronald Reagan off the coast of Pakistan. Do you ever go to garage sales or enjoy window shopping at your favorite store? If you do, then it's time you got on board with Craigslist, the online buy and sell site that local people swear by. Watch SheboyganPress.com tomorrow for the latest In Focus video looking at the popularity of Craigslist and how local people are using it. It was a really nice morning and I hope you enjoyed it because we do not have more of the same ahead. The National Weather Service says there's a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, a high of 75 and a low of 59. On Friday, there's a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms all day and more rain likely all night, with a high of 79 and a low of 62. For more on these and other stories, check out SheboyganPress.com and don't forget to pick up a copy of tomorrow's paper. For the Sheboygan Press, I'm Janet Ortegan.